Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of the tutorial series. In this one I'm gonna texture the character. So once again this is part 2 and I am going to first take the body. I'm gonna join them together in a way. So click on the body, press A, right click and join. So what it does is turns it into a whole body, but it's still different parts. For example, if you press L on the body, the whole body, just the body selected. L, 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 L. See? So it's part of the body, but the mesh is gone. Mesh the whole. I don't know how to explain it. The first robot I made it this way. It might not be the perfect way, but it works for me. Anyway, so let's just first go into UV editing. Okay, no, first we need to go to texture painting. Over here we need to add a texture, base color, material base color. So I'm gonna 8192. It's gonna be a big map so that the whole thing can work. Okay, after that go into UV editing. Over here press A and then press F3 to go into this option menu. Smart, type in smart UV project, press enter, and then the island margin increase it by 0.1, press OK. So now we've got all of these. Come over this side, press A and then scale them down so that it can be helpful and it can work properly. Anyway, so now we're going to texture paint. So I've decided that the body itself, the whole legs, the foot, the hand, the head and the body, they're going to be yellow, dark yellow, orange, maybe something like that. So go over here, just paint it here. Okay, so that is done. The other thing is I've decided that let's just say 0, 0. So these parts, no, what I was thinking was let's not make it too complicated. These parts are going to be greyish colors, greyish here. These ones, the connectors, the joints, the whatever you like to call it. So drag this down a bit over here. Let's do this. Okay. So after that, I'll just show you what I'm doing right now. So let's go over L, 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 L. So of the whole map I've selected all these ones. Let's just scale them down, press S to scale them down on the map and then bring them up here. These are all going to be yellow. Scale them down again. Actually what we can do is, instead of scaling these down, let's just paint with a bigger brush. Oh crap. Anyways, so this is this one, yellowish, orange, yellowish, like that. Okay. I know it's not that appeasing to the eye, but it'll work. Anyways, once again, L, 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 sorry, L, 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 L. Just scale them down a tiny bit, and G to bring them into this area. Now I'm going to show you what happened. Voila. Doesn't look that bad, does it? I mean, it's not, you can't see stuff, it's very bland because there's only one color. So anyways, let's select these connectors now, scale them down like that, and then G, and then bring them into the gray area. So now that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to select each part. So for the eyes, so let's go into this one first. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's just get a completely white one, white color, complete white. Let's keep it here. Oh wow, this is stupid. I'm joking. Okay, complete white, that's going to be here. Let's just get a bluish color, dark bluish, right, like that. Keep that here. Okay, let's work with these ones that we've got. So the white, remember I told you these areas are going to be black. These four shift, hold down shift to select these faces so that it's easier. I mean, so that you can select them all. These are all going to be black. Okay, let's keep them here somewhere. And then the battery signs, they're going to be white. Okay, it doesn't look that good, but what can we do now? And for the eyes, so these teeth are going to be white. Going to the drag them in there, they're white, and these outer lips, you may call them whatever, these are going to be black. Okay, now the eyes itself would be white. The eyelids, let's see, this loop. So alt and shift, alt click on these areas, you select this loop, and then shift alt click and you select these loops. So for these ones, let's see what color should we give them. If it's black, grey, white, blue, how does blue look? I don't know, doesn't look that bad, I don't look that good at all. Let's see, black, I think there's a lot less color. Oh wait, let's just do blue, and then maybe these outer lids we can make them black. These outer blocky areas, if we turn them black, it looks too bad. Grey, white, blue, I don't know. Let's just work with the foot for now. So let's just take these two parts, turn them black, or should we take this loop and this loop, and these two parts turn them black. Okay. For the arms as well, alt and then shift and then black, alt left click, shift hold, left click, and then black. Okay, doesn't look that bad. So for the battery, okay, so let's just take these four parts and let's see what colors we can work with. Does grey look good? Looks alright. It's blocky, but it's not bad. That's one thing. It's not the worst character creation in the world. It looks like it's very blocky. That's all I'm gonna say. Now with GeoModel you can also add like extra detail. So for example, the first character I made, it was it was two body parts, like upper chest, and then there was two basically pipes going down to the lower part, and then there's like if you want you can make like a connecting pipes like for a real life robot, stuff like that. Or you can add like some stuff antennas at the top, like the way I did these parts, antennas at the top, add them, twist them up like for the wall part, something like that. For the foot, well, I don't know what I'm talking about. It's already made, but yeah, that's what it looks like with coloring. Or let's see, with coloring, I don't know, I'm not satisfied for some reason. It looks like an evil robot for some reason, like really evil. some supervillain robot. Let's add some more color to the palette so that, or we can just finish it here. What should we do? Should I end it here? Should I not? What if we were to take these 4 parts? Let's just see. Or the battery signs could be bluish in color. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it is. I don't know, man. The battery parts, if they are colored, they should be light blue then. If they are going to be used to be colored, should be lighter blue. Okay, so select these 4, lighter blue. Yeah, looks alright. Okay, so that's it for this part. Let's see what it looks like in the what should I do? Be honest, guys. I mean, it's very basic robot. It's a very basic texturing, everything, and I'm going to import it into Unity. And the last time I tried, for example, shaders and stuff like that, it wasn't working, so you have to do that in Unity. Okay, so what we can do is, let's just go into the UV editing, select these 4 and maybe turn them a bit. Let's see what they would look like in different colors. That looks even more villainy. I don't know how to explain it. Layout. So this is the ones I'm doing are very basic, so you might not necessarily be happy with whatever. Like, the character itself is very basic, and the coloring I've only used like 4 or 5 colors. I think I'm gonna keep it grey. It looks better. Yeah, it looks alright. Save it. For this outer ring, let's see if we change colors. Does that look good? I don't think so. That looks even worse. Does that look good? Nope. Yeah, let's just keep it like that. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this video here. I think it's been enough modeling. It's not the best looking character, but I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't expecting it to be the best anyway. If you were, sorry, but it looks alright. There's the eyes, around the eyes, the teeth, or maybe you could model it a bit differently. What I'm going to do is, let's just select all these, not subdivide. What I'm trying to do is add small blocks so that it sort of feels like a gap between teeth. So loop tool, 1, 2. So from the edge, 1, 2. Okay, you get me? 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. Oh, sorry, not for the final, last one. So what it's going to look like is, okay, so even from this edge, 1, 2. Once it's done, it might look better. I'll show you. So go into the UV editing. So I've got the white parts. Sorry, face selection with 3, press 3 on the top area. I don't know, does it look good? If the outer area looks a bit different colored, let's see, let's select the outer area, 4, 5, 6, change colors, gray, looks like an old man for some reason. Okay, looks alright. Okay, so I'm gonna finish it definitely this time. I don't know, man. Looks okay. Let's finish it here. Control S. Okay, so see you in the next video where I'm gonna try to rig the character, hopefully successfully, and after that there's gonna be weight painting or animations, and then the final one about importing into Unity. Thanks for watching and listening, viewers, and see you next time.